Hey everybody, and welcome back to Investment Honey, where we talk about various crypto projects. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I am not your financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice on the channel, and I don't even encourage you to invest. But what I am going to do is share with you my own personal opinion and views on the projects discussed on the channel. So with that said, we're looking at Bubble, and they do have a fair launch that's currently live. So here we are, pink sale, and you can see this is the fair launch. Got a couple of badges here, and we can see that the sale is live. Presale is going to end in just over 3 days and 22 hours from the time of me doing the recording. So we can see, as far as the audit's concerned, let's go ahead and take a look, at my notes. So as far as the audit's concerned, it did pass with no high or medium severity issues. They also got their KYC here. So at the time that I took a look at this, they did not have the KYC, but they did say it was in progress. So glad to see they've got that KYC done. This KYC is just through pink sale. So, but with that said, they've also got their socials here. So it says here, experience the future of decentralized trading, with Bubble DeFi. Revolutionary liquid DEX trading platform offers deeper liquidity, smarter trades, and higher rewards. Unlock a new frontier with Bubble DeFi on Arbitrum. 5% tax for LP tokens collected and burned forever, guaranteeing maximum liquidity and 100% safe liquidity and crunch-proof technology. Synthetic yield enables users to maximize their profits and leverage their LP tokens. Bubble DeFi protocol lets you earn real yield with BUB. All right, so we can see the soft cap was 5 ETH on this one. They've been able to raise just over 7 ETH. And current rate, 1 ETH is going to get you 1411374 tokens, 48 total contributors at this point. And they do have a video, but you guys know that we don't engage with videos as we walk through projects on the channel. So initial market cap right now, the estimate is just over 17,000. And again, the soft cap right here, looking at that 5 ETH. And liquidity lockup time, looking at that 365 days after the pool ends, which is pretty standard on a lot of tokens. So looking at the token metrics, nothing really going on there that concerns me. So we're going to transition on over to the documentation. We can see what we got going on here. Let's take a look at the tokenomics. So the distribution is going to be 15% going to marketing, 20% going to pre-sale, 20% going to Bubble Community Treasury, 20% to liquidity, and 25% to the Bubble protocol. We also see here, they've got some information here in regards to the treasury, so you can see what's going on here. And looking at the roadmap, these are the different phases, 4 different phases to their roadmap all this year. So we can see in Q1, we're looking at the ecosystem DEX launch, DAO's operational, contract and app audit, launch on Arbitrum, Q2, synthetic and yield farming, Bubble protocol farming, DEX new token listing, seamless cross-chain bridging, or cross-chain bridging, sorry about that. Bubble NFTs and utility, community building, Q3, looking at limit orders and stop loss functions, viral marketing campaigns, long-term lockup incentives, and bug bounty system. And then in Q4, we're looking at the NFT marketplace, advanced exchange and trading features, the DNAMM router, and Bubble Foundation. Now we're going to transition on over to the main page where we can see a number of different links up here in the navigation bar. And they got a link here for launching the testnet, but it's not live yet at the time of the recording. So unleash the power of liquid trading with Bubble DeFi. Get ready to experience the future of decentralized trading with Bubble DeFi. All right, so let's keep moving forward. I have to say, really like, just the design elements, on their website. So just an aside on that. The ultimate governance and utility tokens. Join the revolution and take control of your financial future with Bubble's BUB token with delegated community governance and stake-based earnings. You can now vote on proposals and earn passive income from the protocol's generated revenue, empower yourself, and become a part of the decentralized financial movement with Bubble.s. So vote for the future Bubble and submit your protocols. Together the community has ownership over the treasury, and on top of that, the passive income earnings based on generated revenue. We get a couple of buttons here for their Discord and their Telegram. And then they talk about their liquid yield farming with delegated community governments and stake-based earnings. You can now vote on proposals and earn passive income from the protocol's generated revenue, empower yourself, and become part of the decentralized financial movement with Bubble. Now, again, this looks very similar, if not the same, to what we just read, up here. All right, was it up here? Yeah, basically, so it's right here. So moving forward, though, Here they give you some information in regards to synthetic yield farming, bubble protocol farming. I'll let you guys go through that on your own. Unlock a new frontier with Bubble and Arbitrum. And there's been a lot of talk about Arbitrum at the time of doing the recording. So a lot of interesting projects, starting to launch, on Arbitrum. Join the, okay, so I'm not going to go through all that. But let's see here. Bubble contract, so we can see Bubble Swap is a revolutionary DeFi protocol that offers a unique liquidity tax of 5%, increasing your LP tokens value in every trade. The LP tokens collected are burned forever, guaranteeing a maximum liquidity and 100% safety. Join the new era of yield farming and earn passive rewards with Bubble Swap's liquidity crunch troop technology. 5% on all BUB pairs, all LP tokens burn forever, 100% liquidity crunch proof, and 100% safe food. All right, so we get some tokenomics information here, but we've already gone through this, in their documentation. Let's see here, going back, over here. So this is basically the same information. And we can see the same graphic here as well. All right, so, and this gives you, I like how they've got, all these little bubbles. See that little animation, or, yeah, I guess you can call it an animation as you hover over. So for their Gitbook, Telegram, Twitter, Medium, and for the Discord. You also have a button here for the pitch deck. Okay, so and let's see here. And then we have all these links down here at the footer of the website, along with socials. So for the most part, that's pretty much it, in regards to Bubble DeFi. And like I said, here's their fair launch. Fair launch is currently live. You got just over 3 days and 22 hours. If you're interested in taking a closer look at this, with respect to, maybe leaning into this project with respect to participation. But as you know on this channel, we don't even encourage you to invest, but we do encourage you to get informed. So make sure that maybe you're checking out some other content creators that could be talking about this project. Take a look at the community, see what's going on there, the engagement between the team and the community, and vice versa. Is the Telegram active? These are all kinds of things that you do want to take a look at, in my personal opinion, when you are doing some kind of evaluation and assessment on the token. So, but with that said, that's going to do it for me in regards to Bubble Fair Launch. So, thank you so much for watching this content. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please consider doing so. A lot of these videos are time sensitive. And if you are not a subscriber with those notifications turned on, you're not going to know about new content when it's released to the channel. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching, and you all enjoy the day.